Okay, pilots. We're going to attempt to get my elevators on tonight. And maybe hook my rods up. But not clamp them down or nothing, just kind of get them hooked up. And I might show you how I'm going to have to run all these leads here. The ring burner leads down alongside of the ESC. Let's see here. I've got to put the screws in my verticals too. Got so excited last night with my lights being turned out as good as they did. But what we got here, get her to stay, is full movement elevators. Okay. That means the whole elevator is going to move. And Freewing has put a little hinge in it here. Okay. So all we need to do is put that in there. Let's see if we can get it in there. There it goes. I can see it moving around in there. So we've got, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8 of these small screws like this right here. I hope you can see that. Oh, I'm gonna drop it in there, but I'm gonna put another in it. Hopefully it'll hold it there. Cause that looks like, let me check this screwdriver here, but first of all, put it on a magnet for a little bit. Because I know my big screwdriver's not going to fit in that hole, and I don't think these are big enough to fit the screw. Nope, I didn't think so. My long screw, see it, that screwdriver, see it don't fit it. So let me get magnetized there a little bit and hope it's long enough. Started there a little bit. Put my hand up underneath it there and keep pressure on it. Put some more on this one. Keep going here. Alright, that's stopping right there. Did I tell you, pilots, it's a tight fit? It's so tight you're just worried about it snapping something in high. Alright, that's coming to a stop. Oh, we got a little scraping there. Let's see here. Let's go. Let's go in with that one. out with that one. Okay. All right, if you didn't see what I done there, I kind of loosened this one here, pushed that hinge in to get that corner to come out, tightened it, loosened this one, pulled it out to get that corner to come out. Okay, so we're not hitting no more. We ain't gotta do no scraping. We got full movement that way, we got full movement this way. All right. So while we're on this side, let's grab our vertical. You gotta get that screw to get down in that hole there, then you turn it and you'll tell if it's biting. You'll be able to tell, don't worry. Alright, that was feeling pretty good. We don't want to tighten it too much till we get this other one going. There it went. Oh, that one's feeling pretty good. Alrighty then, let's go ahead and let's get this one going here. Oh, ice cream. There we go. I gotta grab a hold of it so I won't push it back out. I'm not pushing it back out. Well, I think she's just a popping there a little bit. You gotta check them things. My screwdriver is demagnetizing. Okay, they about the same torque on them. Okay, we got one more elevator to go here. And the hinge lined up. Okay, we got 2 more screws. Give this hinge here just a little tugging out, you know, same way I done on the other side. Pulling this one out, pushing that one in. You know, and then I can look at the gap. My gap's about the same as over here, I'll leave it alone, but if I got a wide gap over here where I didn't need to have to do that, I can loosen it, put it back. look at it. Right, see there? Right, we got a wide gap on it too. Wide gap. Not too much now, we just want to close it up just a little bit. Just like the door on a car. Just gotta keep adjusting here and there and get that thing to just shut on its own. I will.